I am appearing for the petitioner, man.
For the respondent principal, not for my line for the friend points is not sufficient.
Which municipality? That is maintainability of the writ petition. Let me understand what the matter is about. Yes. You are the state.
But actually, my lord,
Who are you appearing for?
My lord, I am appealing for the respondent number 6.
private respondent.
6.
Private
Private.
respondent, my lord. Yes.
Very well.
But actually, my lord, judiciary is highly affected, man, by the
Yes.
act done by the chairman of the Garulia municipality.
All right.
Not only that, man, continuing violating the same, and time to time pass the Honorable High Court's order, my lord, complying by violation of the order, thereafter trying to comply the same. All are, my lord. Kindly see, my lord, that matter. But your petitioners, number 1 to 6, all are the employee of the Garulia municipality. On and from 2002, 3, 4, 5, they are defined date they were appointed. 1 to 3 are Group C and 4, 5, 6 are Group D staff. But in the year 2017, man.
And how were they appointed pursuant to a regular selection process?
Yes, ma'am. Kindly turn to page 28 first.
What is your ultimate prayer in the writ petition?
My lord, main only one pair, my lord. Pair is, my lord, there is no selection committee at all under the recruitment rule. And time to time, my lord, private respondent moved the High Court and obtained the order, my lord. Thereafter, please.
Yes.
And that matter moved to 2017, my lord. That the Honorable Court directed them to sit in the interview. My lord, they appear. But further directed not to publish the result. During the pendency of the writ application, they filed 2 applications, and thereafter in the year 2022, Justice Sampa Sarkar, my lord.
No, what is the ultimate that you want in
Yes,
the
my
writ?
lord, yes. My lord, selection committee, there was no form at all. Under the recruitment rule.
No, but then you are already there.
No, I appeared, my lord.
Why will you appear again if you were
Not interview, my lord. Only written test. That written test result was published.
He is unsuccessful.
Well, an unsuccessful candidate cannot have any right to file a writ application, but I have right. For illegality there, but so many judgment are there. I have got to judge.
Participated in the process.
1 minute.
But first
Page 28.
28, my lord. Number, employment notice number 162, dated 8 June. That is the Group C or others are mentioned there. Next, turn to page 33. Second notice, my lord. Notice number 163. Page 33, my lord.
1 minute. First was for the clerk, typist, driver.
Group D, Group C, or mostly Group D. Group D. Next, my lord. Page 37, my lord. Employment notice number 164.
Date.
Dated 8 June. Same. All are same date.
All right.
Page 38 dated there, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, your petitioner applied.
Yes.
My lord, after application, the municipality considered their application and issued a call letter, interview letter, my lord. Kindly turn to call letter. No, sorry, call letter, my lord. Page 39. Page 39 to 44, my lord. All the call letters are there, my lord.
Yes.
In the meantime, my lord, private respondent, she was age-bar candidate. She moved before the Honorable Court, my lord.
Yes.
And Honorable Court directed them to consider their her representation and to sit in the written test or interview. Thereafter, my lord, and further Honorable Court further directed that the result not to publish the result without leave of the court. Thereafter, my lord, that matter was finally decided by the Honorable Justice Sampa Sarkar. Kindly turn to page 46, my lord.
Yes. Thereafter, what happened?
For this one, for page 46, my lord.
An appeal was preferred against that order?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
What
First,
happened?
before that, the review was.
Yes,
Let him say, I'll hear.
My lord, just page 46. Last paragraph, accordingly, as an interim order, this court had directed the petitioner should be allowed to participate and the application should be accepted without insisting on the age bar. That was, and further, page 47, my lord, first paragraph, page 47, first paragraph, my lord, having heard the learned advocate for the respective parties, the court grants such leave to the municipality to publish the result. Then last paragraph, my lord, page 47. As the recruitment process was pending In view of the order in the writ petition, it is expected that the entire recruitment process, or that entire recruitment process shall be completed within period of 2 weeks, my lord. Then, my lord, the DLB paper and review application. That review application was disposed of without any order. Thereafter, DLB paper and appeal. But DLB only took only one point, that in the meantime Municipal Service Commission Act came into the effect. So this is not applicable. Well, actually, Municipal Service Commission Act came into the effect in the year 2018. But that employment notice was issued in the year 2017. On that ground, my lord, the appeal was disposed of, and in the meantime, result was published, my lord. Kindly turn to the result, my lord, at page 58. Appeal court, I am coming to that. First page 58, my lord. My lord, notice. Then, my lord, roll number of the candidate qualified for interview on the basis of the written examination. My lord, written examination held on 14th April 2018 in terms of employment notice number 162, my lord. Not 163 and 164, my lord. But all the roll number, according to their post, my lord, have already mentioned from 63 and not 64, 63. Very cleverly, while issue this notice, 162, kindly see, dated such and such, and the order dated such and such passed by the Honorable Justice of Prosecuting W. Such. My lord, this result was published, my lord. Only roll number are there. There is no name or appeared in this list, my lord. And my lord, who signed this result, my lord, page 53, 59 and 58. Bottom of the page. My lord, page 58 and 59. Bottom of the page, my lord, kindly see, my lord. Who signed, my lord? Chairman, Garudia Municipality and Chairman of the Selection Committee, my lord. On that, my lord, kindly see the Rule 5.
Which book?
Rule 5
Of?
of Municipal Recruitment Rule 2005. Page 3.67.
1 minute, let me see. It's there in the book. Rule?
Rule 5, my lord.
West Bengal Municipal Employees Recruitment Rules,
West
2005.
Bengal Municipal Employees Recruitment Rule 2005.
Yes.
Rule 5, my lord.
Rule 5, Selection Committee.
Selection committee, may I read it? In case of direct recruitment of officer or employee of Group B and C, selection of candidates shall be normally made by the Municipal Service Commission, duly constituted under Section 55, my lord. Municipal Service Commission came into the effect next year, just 2018, my lord. Next.
No, but then why will we look into the 2008
Yes, my lord, I am
rule?
coming to that. In the absence of, my lord, text,
Yes.
in the absence of such Municipal Service Commission,
Ah,
this case is the absence of Municipal Service Commission.
ah.
Next, such selection shall be made by the Selection Committee, my lord,
Yes.
to be appointed by the state government, my lord, through notification.
Hmm.
Have you lordship got it?
Hmm.
Through notification, my lord, by the state government. Next, such committee shall be consist of one representative of the DLB Director of Local Bodies, who shall not be below the rank of Assistant Director. In case of Group C employee, my lord. Group C, my lord, notice number 162. And Deputy Director of the Group B and A employees. In case of selection of the person of technical post, one engineer of municipal engineer and others are there, my lord. Thereafter, my lord. No. Next, 5-2, my lord. In case of direct recruitment of Group D employee, selection of candidates shall be made by the selection committee constituted by the Board of Councillors of the municipality or notified area comprising of the chairman of municipality, notified area, chairperson of the selection committee, 3 councillors to be nominated by the Board of Councillors to be member of the selection committee, and 1 representative of the director of local body, Government of West Bengal, who shall not be below the rank of assistant director, and the executive officer and finance officer. My lord, Group D, 2 committee are to be required, my lord. Group C and Group D, 5-1 and 5-2, my lord. There was no committee at all. Employment notice was issued, written examination was held, and thereafter, my lord, in terms of the order of the High Court, my lord, that result was published, and signed by the chairman of selection committee, my lord. Kindly see page 58 bottom. Selection committee. There is no selection committee, my lord. Only this point, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, kindly
And when did you get to know of this?
on 12 or 13, I have already stated in the writ petition. I came to learn on 12 or 13 October
This year.
this year
All right.
at 6 p.m. 12 October. It was in the notice board at 6 p.m. my lord. Then I came to learn. Thereafter, my lord, just kindly see, my lord. Next page, my lord, page 60.
Yes.
Page 60, my lord. First reference, my lord. My lord, reference.
Yes.
Your letter dated, letter number 1393, my lord. Kindly turn to page 58.
Yes.
Result number 1389. After result published, my lord, thereafter they wrote a letter to the DLB and sought for time and date for interview. Yes, my lord. And DLB is directed that the Rule 5, that the selection committee, all are appear in this letter, my lord. 16th October letter, my lord, page 60. Thereafter, my lord, page 61 and 62, petitioner number 1 and 4, applied under the Right to Information Act. Kindly see. 4. Kindly supply me the photostat copy of the document of the formation of selection committee. No reply was given, my lord, for formation of the selection committee.
But then time has not expired, isn't it?
My time?
Time to supply the reply,
Yes, my lord.
supply information has not expired.
Thereafter, representation was made, my lord. Page 60.
Representation is made is a different thing.
Thereby requested to the chairman to cancel or withdraw the same. Now, my lord, kindly turn to division bench order. DLB filed the paper and appeal, my lord. Page 56, my lord.
Yes.
Page 56, division bench order, my lord. Last paragraph. We find no merit in this appeal at all. The result of the recruitment process has now been published. My lord, result of the recruitment process has now been published. Next, learned advocate for the municipality tell us that the writ petitioner has been successfully in the recruitment process. Writ petitioner means student number 5 respondent 6. Success, and her name has found place in the panel. My lord, what is the panel? No interview, my lord. There was no panel was prepared, my lord. On that basis, division bench directed the municipality to give the appointment and further directed the DLB to approve the same within 4 weeks. This is the division bench order, my lord. First of all, my lord, there was no selection committee, my lord. Get irregular. Now my learned friend says that I am unsuccessful candidate, my lord. My lord, who declared that I am unsuccessful candidate, my lord, without authority of law? That result was published and signed by the chairman of Gaule Municipality. Next, chairperson of the selection committee. There is no selection committee without authority of law, my lord. He just now submit before your lordship that I am an unsuccessful candidate. On that ground, my lord, I am relying upon the judgment, my lord. Oh, no. In the meantime, my lord, kindly allow me to file supplementary petition.
Why?
Yes, my lord.
What is there? What is
My
there?
lord, during the pendency of the writ, last Saturday, my lord, they issue an agenda. It would be evident from the said agenda number 10, my lord, they are trying to constitute a selection committee. Admitted, my lord. দিচ্ছি সব কপি দিচ্ছে আর কপি নেবেন কি আপনারা জানেন তো
বইটা ফেরত দিয়ে দিন
সব জানেন আর কপি দাও এই মিউনিসিপালিটি স্টেট না জাস্টিস কে এই আমারটা দাও আমার দিয়ে দাও না ওটা
আমারটা কপি করে
মানে কাইন্ডলি টার্ন টু page 5 first. That is my argument, my lord. All are admitted in paragraph 10A, agenda number 10, my lord. My lord, next is very interesting.
Yes.
My lord, next is very interesting, my lord. Kindly turn to page 8, my lord. On that day, my lord, 21 number of councillor, my lord, attended 17 number of councillor, 4 were absent. And my lord, 9 person written objection, my lord, last paragraph. Kindly turn to last paragraph, page 8. We the following undersigned are hereby inform you in writing that we are not aware. My lord, who are not aware, my lord? Sign 1, my lord, Sanjay Singh. He was the erstwhile chairman, my lord, just before that. Sanjay Singh, my lord, chairman, he was not aware about the employment. Next, my lord, number 3, Subrata Mukherjee, my lord, vice chairman, my lord. He was last 10 years, my lord, 2017, he was vice chairman. He also not aware about the employment notice, my lord. Next, my lord.
Are you there in service of the municipality?
Yes, my lord.
Are you there? Not the private respondent. Are you there in service of the?
Service.
Yes.
Repression. Yes, my lord will appear on paper.
আপনি আপনারা আছে আপনার এমপ্লয়িরা আছে আপনাদের এমপ্লয়িরা আছে এখনো সার্ভিসে
Yes, yes.
From when are you serving?
Orange from 2002.
2002.
Yes. 2002, 3, 4, different days they were appointed.
The private respondent was also in casual employment.
Yes,
So you all are in the same footing.
yes, yes. No dispute, my lord.
No dispute.
Admitted. My lord, on that ground, my lord,
And the private respondent is contending for which post? Group D?
assistant teacher,
Assistant teacher.
Bengali medium.
You are contesting for?
I am contesting petitioner number 1, assistant teacher, Hindi medium. Petitioner number 1
All group C posts.
on group C, same group.
All
And-
right.
And number 2 and 3 on clerk, group C post. Number 4, 5, 6, group D post.
Acha. Very well. What are the judgment that you are relying
Yes,
upon?
my lord, 1999, volume 2, CHN, page 289, paragraph 20, my lord. Last 4 lines.
1999 2CH
2 CHN, page 289, paragraph 20, my lord. Last 4 lines. The
Right.
judgment of the division bench presiding over by the Honorable Justice S. Vishina, as the lordship then was.
Yes.
Last 4 lines, my lord. Unsuccessful candidate do not have locus standi to maintain a writ application. I admit the same first time, my lord.
Hmm.
Next, unless illegality in the selection process can be proved,
Hmm.
my lord, my supplementary affidavit, my lord, it would be evident, my lord. As agenda number 10. Next, my lord, my lord, next, Supreme Court 2022. Kindly turn to para 3, my lord, first. Para 3, 7, para 9. Which? Paragraph 3, paragraph 7, paragraph 9, paragraph 30, paragraph 31 and 32.
2022
The state of Maharashtra, the judgment delivered on June 16, 2022. Naam, Krishna Rai. Oh, Banaras Hindu University. Banaras Hindu University.
কৃষ্ণ রায়
Okay. Yes. Now, what are the? Next, my lord.
Please rely upon the paragraphs. Please. The principle of
Para 3, para 7, para
Yes,
9.
I have note down the paragraphs, but what do you want to place from these paragraphs?
Paragraph 3 first.
Yes.
Yes. The order of the learned single judge, my lord.
Hmm.
That was the statutory rules violated, my lord.
Hmm.
That did succeed. Next, my lord. Para 7. Para 7, my lord. Last 3 line. The petition filed primarily on the ground that the advertisement notification which was issued laying down the eligibility candidate, my lord, as per paragraph such and such of the manual, did not provide any interview. My lord, that manual, there was no interview was provided, my lord. That was exercised by the Board of Examiners, my lord, by their own capacity, without authorization. Next, my lord, para 7. Next, para 9, my lord. Para 9, my lord. 4th line, my lord. That the Board of Examiner committed grave error in making the selection. Para 9, 4th line. My lord. Next, my lord. Para 30, 31 and 32. Para 30, my lord. Dr. Krishna Chandra Sahu's cases, my lord. It was reported in the year 1995, volume 6, SCC, page 1. That was lying upon by the Supreme Court, my lord. it has been held that the suitability criteria is to be laid down by the rule-making authority, my lord, and that the selection criteria cannot be laid down. My lord, selection criteria cannot be laid down, my lord. There is no selection committee. Chairman, by his individual own capacity, they issue the employment notice.
So your primary contention is that there is no selection committee and accordingly the
That is my
recruitment
only one.
only one point.
Next statement, my lord. My lord, latest judgment, my lord, 2023. 28th March 2023, my lord, judgment dated. My lord, kindly turn to para 12 Roman 1. My lord, hold the judgment from the beginning against me. No doubt about it. But limited scope are there. Kindly turn to, my lord, paragraph 12 Roman 1, my lord. At page, my lord, 18. My lord, bottom
Yes,
page
right.
18,
Bottom.
my lord.
Yes.
My lord, 9. Roman 1, then 9, my lord. AIR 1990 Supreme Court, my lord.
Yes.
434,
Yes.
paragraph 9 has already been quoted by the Supreme Court, my lord.
Hmm.
Kindly see last 3 lines, my lord.
Hmm.
The decision of the selection committee can be interfered with only on limited grounds. I have already said so, my lord. Such as illegality or patently material illegality in the constitution of the committee or its procedure, my lord. Constitutional committee, selection committee, my lord. This is my case, my lord.
Yes, I got it.
Yes, my lord. Visited the selection or proved malafide affecting the selection, etc. Next, my lord. Kindly turn to 12 Roman 2. Next, my lord. 96 Supreme Court.
96 Supreme Court.
Already referred.
Oh, already
12 2.
Sure.
96 6 SCC,
Hmm.
page 282, my lord.
Yes.
Secretary Health Department versus Dr. Anita Puri. My lord, first line, the court observed as under as regard the sanctity of the selection process and the grounds on which the result thereof may be interfered with. Yes, my lord. Have you lordship got it? Next, my lord, kindly turn to Roman 3, 12 Roman 3. My lord, here 2008 Supreme Court, relying upon by the Supreme Court. 2008 volume 2 SCC, my lord, page 119, my lord. Paragraph 21.
Paragraph 21.
21. Already stated. Second line, my lord. Last word. Challenge them except on the ground of malafide or serious violation of the statutory rule. Second line, my lord. Last word. Except on the ground of malafide or serious violation of the statutory rule, then it is valid. Next, my lord. Rule 12.4. Next, my lord. Roman 4, next page, page 19. Ompokas, 94 Supreme Court. Last 2 line, my lord. Arbitrarily favored some candidate, my lord. My lord, that result was arbitrarily favored by the private respondent and other persons, my lord. Next, my lord. And thus, against Article 14 is clear valid. Next, my lord. Paragraph 12.1. That page, page 19. Last 2 line, my lord. Last 2 line, last word. If there are problems, allegation or malfeasance of violations of the statutory rule, only in such cases of inherent arbitrariness can be court interfere. Yes, my lord. That's all, my lord. Right of go. ভারতের আর্টিকেল এই মিউনিসিপালিটিকে বলতে দিন আগে আপনার এগেইনস্টে তো আমার কোনো অ্যালিগেশন নেই
তুমি যে
Yes.
allegation করেছো
মানে on that ground, my lord, I am praying before your lordship, kindly grant a stay.
Steve,
Yes, stay of the said result, my lord, at present.
No, interview has not been held for
No, my lord. Admitted, my lord, that is the DLB letter.
Is the state
And my
represented?
lord, heard that.
You are there, Mr. Haq. Very well. Yes.
And also past, they participated in the process without raising any remark in 2017. Now, after having been declared unsuccessful, so far as the result of the written examination is concerned, they cannot turn back, my lord, and challenge the selection process not including the notification which was issued in 2017. Number one. Number two, my lord, is the doctrine of delay and laches apropos, my lord, a writ petition. My lord, they have, if your lordship kindly looks into, my lord, page 25 of the writ petition, the prayer portion, they have traversed to the extent of assailing the notification which was issued in 2017. After 6 years, my lord, they have now come up and filed the writ petition. Third is the result of the written examination has already been placed before your lordship. Your lordship will find, my lord, that my lord, more than 300 persons were found, my lord, successful in the process. As far as the written examination is concerned. None of them, my lord, has been included. These are the, my lord, preliminary points. I have, my lord, also brought some judgments if your lordship so
Yes, please.
Point regarding participation, the challenge by unsuccessful candidates. It's the settled law, my lord, in 2023, my lord, considering
এই কত রেফারেন্সটা বলেন
2023 SCC online SC 344.
Yes.
Considering, my lord, almost all the previous judgments, my lord, paragraph 68 and 69, your lordship will find, my lord, Supreme Court has once again, my lord, reiterated the proposition that candidates who have participated without raising any objection, they cannot, my lord, challenge the selection process after being declared unsuccessful. There is stop.
Incidentally, the judgment relied upon by your learned friend is dated 28th March. Your judgment is of the same date and of the same bench. Same judge, same bench, same date, and two different propositions. You are relying upon which paragraphs you said? 68 and 69.
My lord, the previous judgments, my lord, were quoted.
আপনি লিখে দিয়ে দাও
My lord, Dr. Kumar Manistan, start from page 28.
Yes.
The last paragraph. Okay.
Hmm.
The three previous judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court were quoted. And 69 is the ultimate finding.
Yes.
For the second proposition, my lord, there and that is, my lord, and both service matters are concerned, my lord, 2022 SCC online SC 1785, my lord, paragraph 18, 19 and 20, my lord, 20
Yes.
Third point, my lord, I am not relying on any judgment, my lord. There are numerous persons who were found to be, my lord, successful in the selection process. My lord, as far as the merit of the matter is concerned, my lord, what I have been able to understand that the only action of my learned senior friend that there was no selection committee. My lord, in 2007, my lord, 26th of June, biographer notification, the state government, my lord, laid down the modalities following which a selection committee is to be constituted.
Can it be read?
My lord, may I read it and present it?
You don't have a copy?
Fine.
Which portion you intend to rely?
The notification says, my lord, it was, my lord, issued after promulgation of the 2005 recruitment. Now, 2005, yes, my lord, the members of the selection committee.
Yes. With regard to set up selection committee.
For
Group C.
C, a different committee, and for Group D, a different committee.
For group A and B, I can see one committee, and for group C, I can see group D. This shall be applicable for all notified. Where is the group D procedure? Chairman.
My lord, Group D procedure, your lordship will find at rule 5.2, my lord. It says that a selection committee constituted by the Board of Council
5252 of the new rules.
of the 2005
new rules, yes.
relied upon by my lord.
Yes, group C.
In case of my lord, Group A, B and C, my lord, the procedure is to be notified by the state government, rule 5.1. This is the procedure, the modalities. And
Show me that the chairman of the municipality
Please mention.
my lord,
division concerned is a member, DMDO district. The executive officer of the municipality is secretary. Please show me.
What is the committee? But no committee.
Yes.
জানা না
10,
2017,
10,
10th of January 2017, when notification was issued after nomination on my lord 8th of June 2017.
And it was signed by the selection chairman of the.
yes.
My lord, the practical difficulty is that my lord just
automated non লাগবে
Sarkar 2021 was pleased to direct us, my lord, to conclude the process. Now, my lord, the DLB, my lord, first they took out a review application. They were not successful. Thereafter, my lord, they went to the honorable division bench. There also, my lord, was not entertained. My lord, we are facing content. So, because we have not yet been able to, my lord, finalize the process. My lord, these are my submissions, so there is no impediment.
DLB regarding, then you are required to obtain instruction. Yes, it is for you to find out whether any committee has been formed, because
Notification, my lord.
assistant director of the local bodies is a member of the selection committee.
Yes.
So you can always take instruction.
By issuance of notification by the state government.
No, that may be for the later part. What about the committee at the time of publication of the notification for recruitment? Was a committee there at that point of time? Take specific instruction as to whether the selection committee, in accordance with the rules, was functional on the day the recruitment notice was published. Do you get it? And private respondent, possibly you do not have anything to say.
Any only thing, my lord,
Yes.
what he is challenging the notice of not result. You are challenging the notice because
Recruitment notice.
now, my lord, the recruitment notice was published in June 2017. My lord, that was signed by the chairman. Kindly come to page 32, my lord.
Yes.
Chairman, Garulia Municipality, and chairman of the selection committee.
He is also
So
Wait. Look,
they are aware of the fact that the selection chairman of the committee has signed it. Now they say that there was no selection committee. They participated knowing that it has been published by the chairman of the selection committee, both the notice. Now, next page is also for the other group, that is at page 36. So, on 2017, when this notice was issued, below, it was signed by the chairman of the selection committee and the chairman of the Garulia municipality, and they were aware of the fact that there was no selection committee. In spite of that, they participated in the written test.
Very well. I have followed. Same
Yes.
type of submission.
Now, my lord, here, what in the supplementary affidavit, my lord, what they say, page 8, my lord, kindly come to page 8. May I read it, my lord? The intention and contention of the signatories. We, the undersigned councillors of Garulia municipality, was present in today Board of Councillors meeting, which was held in Municipality Hall at 3 p.m. We would like to inform you that regarding agenda number 10 to constitute a recruitment committee for recruitment to the post of Group C and D post, which was published by memo number such and such, was placed. In this meeting, you have selected 3 numbers councillors for recruitment selection committee by your own power, namely Sri Ashok Kumar Singh such and such, as the members of the selection committee for Group D post. So nothing against Group C. Further, we would like to state that we are giving up herewith full responsibility to you, to your end, and also selected 3 numbers councillors as per nominated by you for the above recruitment purpose. Now, in the last paragraph, what it says, we, the following undersigned, are hereby inform you that in writing that we are not aware or any concern regarding agenda 10 dated 18/11/23 BOC meeting and no knowledge regarding the recruitment process. Like these normal councillors, they are not supposed to know practically. Otherwise, they may not know the process because the process is being conducted by the selection committee. There was an earlier selection committee which published the result.
Wait. Ashwin. Supplementary affidavit filed by the petitioners is taken on record. Stop. Let copy of the same be circulated. Stop. The petitioners are casual employees of the Garulia municipality. Stop. They participated in the recruitment process initiated by the Garulia municipality by publishing employment notice in the month of June 2017. Stop. They became unsuccessful in the written examination stage. Stop. After the publication of the result of the written examination in October 2023, the petitioners have filed the present writ petition on the allegation that the recruitment process cannot continue as there is no selection committee for holding the selection. Stop. It has been submitted that there has been violation of the provisions of Article 14. Stop. Next. The petitioners rely upon various decisions in support of the submission that as the initiation of the recruitment process was bad and malafide. Accordingly, the writ petition will be maintainable by the petitioners even after the same has been filed. After after delay. Stop. Next. The submission of the petitioners have been disputed by the respondents, particularly the municipality and the private respondent. Tell me one thing, apart from the private respondent, there may be many other employees who are still now the casual employees of the municipality and who have become successful in the written test. You have not.
That's also successful, my lord.
Yes, you have not impleted them.
Committee, my lord.
No. That is a different thing, but you have impleted
Yes,
respondent number 6. What about the others?
I am unsuccessful.
No, there may be candidates similarly placed as the respondent number 6.
Yes, total.
All 300 are employees of the municipality.
Auto apply today. I got it. Do you think it's-
Similarly, no. What I say is that there may be candidates, maybe, I do not know, similarly placed as the respondent number 6, who are the employees, casual employees of the municipality, and who may have participated in the recruitment process and have become successful in the written test. Are there any other candidates?
I have no knowledge.
No knowledge.
There are many candidates, my lord, who are
Similarly placed as the respondent number 6.
yes. And only respondent number 6 came before this court for age relaxation because even petitioners are overage.
Next.
My bad, sir. The resolution?
It has been submitted that the petitioners participated in the recruitment process without raising any objection, and after being successful, they have challenged the selection process, which is impermissible. Stop. Paragraph. It has been submitted that the initial recruitment notification was published in the year 2017 and the present writ petition has been filed after a long delay. Stop. The same is liable to be dismissed on the ground of delay and laches. Paragraph. It has further been contended that the writ petition is liable to be dismissed on the ground of non-joinder of necessary parties. Stop. It has been submitted that there are several successful candidates similarly placed as that of the private respondent number 6, and there are candidates who have been declared successful by way of publication of the result in October 2023, who have not been implemented as parties in the instant writ petition. Paragraph. Next. The municipality also relies upon several decisions in support of the submission made. Stop. Next. The learned advocate representing the respondent number 6 submits that the petitioners participated in the recruitment process, completely being aware of the fact that the notification of recruitment was published under the signature of the chairman of the Galudia municipality and the chairman of the selection committee. Stop. The jurisdiction of the chairman of the selection committee cannot be questioned after the petitioners were declared unsuccessful in the written examination. Stop. The issue of delay and laches and non-joinder of necessary parties have also been pleaded by the private respondent. Stop. Next. Learned advocate representing the state respondents seeks time to take instruction in the matter. Stop. Paragraph. Specific instruction shall be obtained from the director of local bodies as to whether the department was made aware of the constitution of the selection committee. Stop. The members of the selection committee shall be produced by the learned advocate representing the state respondents on the adjourned date. Stop. Next. Learned advocate representing the municipality is directed to produce the original resolution book where decision was taken by the councillors of the municipality to proceed with the recruitment process and for constitution of the selection committee. Stop. The matter stands adjourned till 12th December 2023.
Well, in the meantime, can we grant stay, my lord?
The state has not yet given the
Yes, in the meantime, my lord.
notification for publication of the selection committee for conducting the interview.
Because they are trying to comply with the order of the honorable court, my lord.
Liberty to
On the basis
mention.
of submission.
Liberty to mention is there. In the event they come, you can always come forward.
Yes.
Tomorrow.
I'm good.
Give your pleasure to record that I have handed over the extracts of the minutes of the
Very well. The photocopy of the extract of the resolution of the municipality dated. Give me the date, please.
Stay there.
যদি কিছু
ওপর দিকে ডেটটা লেখা আছে ওপর দিকে জানুয়ারি 10th January 2017 and 27th April 2017 we retain with the records.
My lord, kindly grant stay, my lord, in the meantime, my lord. Otherwise, very difficult, my lord. Because
Well-
next contempt rule was issued, my lord.
2012.
My lord, in the meantime, kindly grant stay, my lord. Otherwise,
It's taken on record.
my lord, how I came to learn, my lord,
What
that
will
DLB approved the same, my lord.
No, the state will come forward.
Yes.
The state will come forward. It is not that without hearing you any order will be
There,
passed.
my lord. DLB
When?
approved chairman before the single judge.
When? Very well. Let us
16
see.
January, my lord. That date.
January. I am fixing it in December.
Yes. Okay. I'm grateful to you.